Hello, my name is Kyler Dawson, and this is the Land Hook. Our purpose here at the Land Hook is to provide you, our clients, with the opportunity to invest in raw land at a price that won't break the bank. So today, I'm going to talk to you about a property that we just got into our inventory. And without further ado, let's go ahead and go over and check it out. Switch over to Google Earth. Here is the United States. As you can tell, we'll zoom in a little bit to this property is in Texas, and it's going to be down here in the Big Bend Desert region of Texas, down in southwest Texas. So we'll go ahead and zoom in on the property. And there she is. This is property ID number 14791, and it is tract 4800. This property is located in Brewster County, Texas, and as you can see, it's got great access right here off Higginbottom Street, and then this road up here is Mountain View Terrace. So you've got access off of two different roads here to this 40-acre tract. We'll zoom out just a little bit. Right here is Highway 118, so we'll see exactly how far it is off the highway. Looks like about a little over 3 miles off the highway. So you got good access off the highway, gas stations and all that, paved highway, and then it'll be a dirt road out to your 40-acre tract. What I love about this tract is its proximity to this mountain range right here. This is 9 Point Mesa. There's another small peak down here. Check out a quick picture of this. 9 Point Mesa there. Down here, Black Hill, so that'll be just directly to the south of your property. We'll zoom in here, and then we'll be able to look up at the mountain range. So yeah, that is a beautiful, gorgeous view up the nine Point Mesa mountain range. Hunting is allowed on your property. In this area of Brewster County, you got everything out here. You got a lot of wildlife, a lot of game, pronghorn, javelina, mule deer, whitetail, turkey, dove, quail. So it'd be a good hunting property, especially with any game coming off the mountain. This actual tract is pretty level. Right down here, you can see the elevation. So it ranges anywhere from 3,590. 3,570, 560. So yeah, it's about a 40-foot elevation change throughout the property. So pretty level property for being this close to the mountain range. You can build out here. There's no time limit to build. You can park an RV, you can park a mobile home, and obviously, like I said, you got the dirt road access. And it's pretty level. So if you wanted to build, if you wanted to park out, if you wanted to camp, all those are allowed. Another cool thing we can see here, we can do a little time lapse. We'll see. I don't know if you've been out to this part of southwest Texas, but the stars at night obviously shine pretty bright, and it's gorgeous views. You got sunrise over that mountain. It'll set back out to the west. So right here, little sunrise about 7:45 a.m. right over the mountain. How gorgeous is that? So we'll zoom back out a little bit. Let's get the light back on here. But yeah, again, there's Highway 118. The closest towns are going to be Alpine to the north, and Terlingua will be down here to the south. And pop over here. And this map will show you the proximity to Big Bend Ranch State Park and Big Bend National Park. We'll switch over to the satellite view. Your property would be right here. That 40-acre tract is right here. So Big Bend Ranch State Park right there, Big Bend National Park right there. You got the Rio Grande running right here. So we'll switch back to this view. Big Bend National Park, that's one of 58 national parks that we have in the United States, and it's one of 2 in Texas. So it'd be a cool little day trip down here to see Big Bend. And like I said, this property is a 40-acre property. It's about 1.7 million square foot, no time limit to build. The taxes on the property are current, and they're about $176 a year. It is also a part of a property owners association out there called Poetry, and the dues for that are $172 a year, and that's mainly for road maintenance, and you get some discounts and privileges at the lodge there and different things like that. And those dues don't increase if you get more land out there. So you could have 100 acres, you could have 5 acres. It's always going to be the same. It's just per account, $172 a year. But let's look in here, see some pictures. The Big Bend National Park. Look how gorgeous that is. And this one we can do a look around. The Rio Grande running into that gorge. And like I said, this is just a quick little day trip from where the 40-acre property is. Great hiking, camping, anything you can dream up. More pictures, a little spring, the river running through the gorge again. I mean, all these views are breathtaking. So go back, we'll check out some pictures of the Big Bend Ranch State Park, which this is going to be just to the west of the property. And again, we've got another little 360 view, nice rock structure here. I mean, if you haven't been out to this area, it's great for hiking. There's so many trails, camping. The views obviously are breathtaking. And how cool would it be to hike through this? Here's a good one of someone who's taking a little RV, mobile home out, camping out. You got no one for miles. Out there in the peace and quiet. Well, that wraps up the tour of that 40-acre property. Again, it's property ID number 14791, and it's tract 4800. It's in the Big Bend Valley region of Terlingua Ranch. If you have any questions at all, please give me a call. My phone number is 817-752-4692, or you can shoot me an email. It's Kyler, that's my name, Kyler, @thelandhook.com. Thank you so much, and we'll talk to you soon.